wasn't probably the most accurate on what my paces are supposed to be. So I ordered more magnesium 2 days ago because it was like Amazon Prime Day. So I got magnesium to break out. So I got the Berry Calm with the L-theanine in it. So I will be trying that today and I will let you guys know what I think of it. Okay, I turned my air off so that you guys could hear me and it wouldn't be like super loud, but I need to remember to turn that back on so our room doesn't get 1,000 degrees. Our room is a mess right now because we have this table here that they put in our room and built in our room. We cannot move it out yet and we need someone to come and get it and take it. Anyways, besides the point, I'm gonna get my laundry put together so I can go up and throw that in before class. I have class in like an hour and a half, so I'll be able to get this stuff put in, washed, and then changed into the dryer before my class starts. Hopefully, fingers crossed. If I can get the motivation to do it, I'm gonna go get groceries tonight, so I don't have to do that tomorrow, because tomorrow I switch shifts, so I could work early shift, and my coworker is going to take the closing shift for me so that I can hang out with my boyfriend and his family, because they're coming into town, and I want to be able to hang out with them. I won't have time tomorrow morning to go get groceries like I usually do. Though I could do it Sunday because Sunday's my day off, but no, I want to get it done tonight. Be productive. And not in like a toxic way, just like I just want to be able to get it out of the way so I have food over the weekend and I can like prep it on Sunday rather than having to go get it and prep it on Sunday. So right now I usually do 2 loads of laundry when I wash and then I just dry them together. That's what I've been doing recently. So right now I'm just separating the 2 piles. I do like my dance stuff and my lights together, and then I do like a dark pile. And I can do like my black Leo with like pink tights and tan tights. It like doesn't bleed. And I just put it in like a wash bag. I was going to wash this, but I'm sure it's probably clean. I got this from one of my teachers. She was getting rid of some clothes and she let us go through them. So I got this dress, and I also got this little pink dress. I'm not gonna wear it as a dress, it's literally tiny, but I'll probably wear it as a swimsuit cover up if I go to the beach at all this summer. I think I'm pretty much, I forgot I have the entire laundry bag. I was about to say I must not have that much laundry, but I do. Oh my gosh. Quick little story time. Sorry, this has been kind of rambly already. I've been having a lot of ups and downs with my mental health right now. I'm still trying to figure out medication and like trajectory to the future is like what my psychiatrist and my psychologist and I are like doing for my plan. My friend knew I wasn't doing well, so she sent me just like a tiny little care package gift, and it is a t-shirt from the F Word podcast with Sam Taylor and Taylor Wilson, because we both listen to their podcast, and she just sent it to me, and I think that's like absolutely so sweet, and I love her so much and I miss her. Brooke, if you're watching this, I love you. But yeah, I just like, it was very, very nice, and it was also a surprise to receive that. The laundry is in the machine, and now I'm gonna get myself a kombucha. So I'm just gonna put some ice cubes in my cup. And then if you follow me on Instagram, you probably know, and maybe I've talked about it on here too, but this is my favorite kombucha at the moment. It's the Health-Ade Citrus Immune Boost, and I'm a sucker for blood orange. Some rice cakes. We'll see. I made my snack. It's the rice cakes and yogurt, banana, apple, peanut butter, blueberries, raspberries, cocoa powder, cinnamon. So I'm gonna eat this. in 30 minutes-ish. My boyfriend and our roommate, also our best friend, one of our roommates, but she's our best friend, should be home. They both had vocal lessons. They should be home in like 20-25 minutes, I'd say. But I'm just gonna start getting ready for the class. I was supposed to read an article, so I'm gonna go over what the article was about and just like refamiliarize myself with it because we have class discussions. It's an ethics class. I don't know if I said that already. I have respect. Ella Fitzgerald, I think, is who sings it. Stuck in my head. I need a notebook. Elevator going down to the first floor right now, but I'm in my outfit. I'll be sure to show you guys photos and stuff of me in it. Sorry, I got cut off because someone got on and I'm about to get to the first floor, but I'm going to get groceries and I will be sure to take you guys along with me. Morning. It is now Saturday, and I figured I didn't get to show you guys everything last night because people were home and I didn't want to be filming in front of people. Pretty much all you guys missed last night was I had my cocktail, so I didn't show you guys how I make my bedtime, like evening cocktail. Mocktail. It's magnesium, cranberry juice, sparkling water, coconut water, sea salt, lemon juice. So I just want to show you guys that. Other than that, pretty much saw everything. And I went to bed at 9 o'clock. I was exhausted. I'm going to get dressed to go on a run. I'm gonna eat a coffee. Eat a slice of toast with some banana, peanut butter, and cinnamon hot, and drink a cold brew before we head out. So I'm going to be going for today's run is a speed run, so it's like intervals. It's like a 25-minute run. I'm gonna wear these shorts. I think these are Nike. Yeah, these are my Nike shorts. And then I also happen to have a Nike sports bra that matches it like perfectly. So that's what I'm gonna wear. So if you follow me anywhere, you probably have seen the past couple of weeks I've been wearing this hairstyle. It's like 2 little buns. And I'm gonna wear that again today for my run because it holds holds my hair in place pretty well, even whilst running. What I do is I take 2 of these clear ponytails and put my hair in pigtails. So I'll do that real quick. Now my hair looks really weird, but once it's like this, I take my bobby pins and pin back my bangs so they don't look so crazy. And then I just take a regular ponytail and I go around it, twist it, and then around it again. And then I just kind of pull it. And then I'll show you guys on this side. Around it, twist it, and just kind of pull it. So before I start my run, because it's like a shorter run today, but it's more energy being exerted, I always warm up before my runs, but like right now I'm gonna walk like halfway to where I like to actually run because it is a shorter run. So I'm just walking right now. It's nice out, it's like 70 degrees, it's humid, and it's only like 6:50 in the morning, which is fucking crazy, but that's all I got. I just finished my second speed run, and I'm not gonna lie, that was like really challenging. So trying to figure out like how hard I push myself for each interval, like whether I'm running my 5K pace, my 10K pace, like anything like that. It was challenging. I think I probably wasn't like, I definitely wasn't probably the most accurate on what my paces are supposed to be, but I did run a 7-minute mile, so that was cool. Now I'm just gonna walk home, cool down, probably make myself a coffee, and then I'm gonna wait until my roommate wakes up because I want to make baked oats, but I don't want to use the blender and wake her up. I'll definitely take a shower when I get home. I am a mess. I'm so gross right now. Okay, I'm back from my run, and I'm gonna get in the shower, and I think that's all I'm gonna show for my morning this morning. Just wanted to give you guys a little glimpse into like what my morning run routine is. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this video here. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below how your week has been, and also let me know if you like to run or what your favorite type of movement is. If you are not subscribed already, please subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And with all of that being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye.